Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where all these different colored annotations are coming from. First thing first, I'm going to just go ahead and do some house cleaning here and get rid of a bunch of these lines. Whoops. Sure, all these lines still do pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big update's not the right word, but point of confirmation that occurred today. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday. But if you did, I talked about, right here at 37.75 being an important area of support. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am patting charts and technical analysis on the back. Surprise, surprise, look right where the price essentially bounced from today. Spent a bunch of time right around this area of the chart, and by the time all the dust had settled and the closing bell rang, you can see the price did manage to bounce back up above there. So congratulations to the chart players, that were able to take advantage of that, area right there and get the nice bounce. But even if you're not a trader and just care about more so the general perspective of things, 37.75, like I said, has definitely been confirmed as support, and that's the ideal level that you would want to see going forward. In the event, though, the price goes down there and breaks through it, I do want to map out where the next level of support would potentially be, and that'd be right around the $36 mark. But as it stands right now, no point in talking about any other areas of resistance because 37.75 held nicely, then, of course, got the nice bounce from it. As far as an area of resistance is concerned, going back on the theme of let's just keep this very straightforward, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it because, as the name implies, it is a moving average. So that value will move and change over time as it moves in the downwards direction. So keep an eye on that going forward as resistance. But all in all, these will be the couple of areas of support to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on that from an area of resistance. And with earnings coming, it'll be an interesting week for this one for sure. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.